Yeah, hello. Very good morning to you, Joseph and Naga. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, okay. Thanks for joining today demo session. So before starting our session, could you please introduce yourself? Do you have any work experience in IT or are you new to IT industry? Could you please explain?
Yeah, this is Joseph. Hello.
Okay. Uh, what about Naga? Do you want to share your any experience in IT? Yeah, it's okay. So yeah, quickly we can start our session. Let me share my screen and okay. Yeah. Yeah, thanks for joining today's session. And so, yeah, let me introduce myself. So, my name is Saida Rao, and I'm having around more than 10 plus years experience in IT and different platforms. Since last 7 years, I'm working in ServiceNow tool, and previously I was worked in the different platforms. Okay. So currently I'm working in one of the main top organizations which I can travel late, and yeah, later I can tell you that the organization details. Okay, and since last 5 years I'm in training, so I have trained a couple of students, and they got good opportunities in the market. Okay, and yeah, let me share slide. Okay, today our agenda is so we are going to discuss about the introduction of the ServiceNow and what is ServiceNow and the benefits of the ServiceNow and who uses ServiceNow and products of the ServiceNow and who can learn the ServiceNow. Okay, and yeah, introduction. So basically, ServiceNow we it is a platform that supports ITSM and other common business processes. So in every organizations we have the different business processes we follow. So for that all the processes we you can use it the service now as a platform. So we can support all the IT organization business needs. Okay, and this is also works like a platform as a service. So they are giving a one platform which we can enhance the our product. So service now they give the platform to enhance the existing functionality, so we can write the script, we can write the code to enhance the existing functionality. And this is also a software as a service platform, and it contains a number of modules. So they are giving the group of the modules as a service. So based on the subscription we can activate the number of applications as per our business needs. They have the many number of the applications, but as per our company requirement, so we can take the subscription of that few modules as per our requirement. And the basically ServiceNow company is started in the 2003 by Fred Luddy, and it is started in now it is in California. And now current CEO is Bill McCrory, and he was previously working with SAP, and now he is the CEO of the ServiceNow company. And so basically here we can see the what is ServiceNow. So basically ServiceNow is, as I discussed earlier, ServiceNow it is a IT service management tool which is designed for the ITIL guidelines. So basically ITIL guidelines, you must have aware about ITIL guidelines. So it is industry standard guidelines which we provide the IT services for, we follow the ITIL guidelines. It is worldwide accepted guidelines. So I will explain what is ITIL guidelines in the upcoming classes. And this is basically it is a we can access it from the cloud. So we don't need to install any single software in our local machine. Directly we can type the servicenow.com with our organization URL. in the browser. It is a browser-based applications. We don't need to install anything here, so we can develop anything from the everything is from the browser only. No desktop application is no single install is not required. Okay. So the main vision of the ServiceNow is to build a cloud-based applications that enable the regular processes, everything. Okay, so the main vision is to develop a cloud-based. We can develop the cloud-based applications and custom applications. So whatever the ServiceNow is provided, we can use them. And if you want to develop the new applications, also we can develop them with the ServiceNow platform. Okay. And here are the some of the benefits we have in the for the service now. Basically, it is hosted in the cloud. So as I discussed earlier, we don't need to install anything. And based on the ITL guidelines, so we it follows the ITL guidelines, and we can easily customize with the JavaScript. So with the JavaScript, we can easily enhance the existing functionality which is provided by the service now. And data confidentiality and integrity. The data is secured with the ServiceNow data centers, and the continuity of the service. And it is a on-demand IT service management. We can based on the demand, we can activate the whatever the applications we have in the service now. And customer self-service. So customer directly can he can go to the self-service, and he can report the issues, and he can request the services, IT services. And the main thing is the language translation. So across the global, we have the many languages like Chinese, Spanish, everything. So what we can use the same applications across the world. So if you know English, and the French people know French only, they are not aware of the English. So they can that the text whatever you have entered, it can be translated to the local language. So you provided your comments in English. The French people, they can translate it to the French, and they can read it whatever you have typed. Okay. And powerful reporting. So it is also provides the reporting. So we can use it for the reporting purpose also. And another one is pre-PDA to practice. So normally any other applications, so I don't have the other application, but it is a service. No advantage is we can practice, we can get the PDA personal developer instance with the free of cost. So we can practice it in the personal developer instance. We don't need to pay anything. So ServiceNow is giving for the free. You can practice, and you can learn, and you can explore all the modules. Okay. And easy auto version upgrade. So ServiceNow, they releases two versions every year. So we can easily auto upgrade, like how we upgrade our mobile to the latest version, right? We can very easily auto upgrade to the latest version. So okay, so service now only they do, just we have to take care about we have to decide the plan. Service now will automatically, it can upgrade it to the latest version. Okay. And here we have this slide explains about the who uses the service now. Okay, in every organizations we have the different type of the people. So who are the end users, who supports the IT services, who are the admins, developers. So first of all, employees. So normal employees, so they use the service node to report the issues. If they have any issues with the IT services in their laptop, or any application is not working, they can report the issues. Like a small example, in your home we have the internet, right? So if internet is not working, what we do, we just go to that whatever the service like Excel or Act or Geo. You just go to the app, you create a one, you report a issue that your internet is not working. Like that, you can create the issues in the service now, and you can request the IT services. You have, if you need something, if any additional access, or if you want some goods like a laptop or a desktop, anything you can request from the service now. And the IT support step. So once that end user is requested, there is another IT support people they have to manage. So IT support people also, they use this service now to manage the service request, incidents, and the problems. Okay. And the administrator. So every tool has a one administrator, so who manage the admin activities. So they can import they can give they can create the users in the server in the tool, and they maintain all the access and the related stuff. Okay. And another role is we have the implementers. So if your organization purchased a ServiceNow license, so we have to implement the entire functionality in as per your organization's process. So we call them as implementers. Okay, implementers are specialist and the developers. So this is the top more admin access we have. So the developers, what they do, so they write the scripts to enhance the existing functionality. So ServiceNow is provided already for the industry standards, ITL standards. But if you want to enhance the functionality as per your organization need, you can the developer will write a script to enhance the existing functionality. So these are the some of the products ServiceNow have in the market now. So like a incident, problem, change, asset. So ServiceNow has introduced many modules now in the market. It is the one of the um, highest saleable product in the market, IT market now. Okay. So we have the service management, all the which is kind of appearing in the red color. We have the service management, and we have the business management. In the business management, we have the risk, vendor, audit. So you need to know about all these things uh, to before that to know about the service norm. Okay. These are the some of the products they have introduced many projects. So these are the some of the products we have now. And who can learn the service now? So service now, there are no basic skills are required to learn about the service now. But if you have the some programming knowledge, it would be better to gain the knowledge. It will be helpful during the course. So if you have some knowledge like a JavaScript, if you have some knowledge about the JavaScript, you can easily learn the development of the service now. Okay. So service now releases. ServiceNow every year they releases the two versions. So in the quarter one and the quarter four, they releases the two versions, and they follow the release names, the release version names in the alphabetic order. These are the last one. Like if you follow the here, Paris POQ, Paris, Orlando, Quebec, Rome, San Diego, Tokyo, Utah, Vancouver, Washington, and Janadu. So Janadu is the latest one. Okay. So they follow this alphabetic order. So now latest version is Janadu in this released recently 1 month back. Okay, every year ServiceNow release the two versions, and we can easily upgrade to the latest version. Okay, ServiceNow only will upgrade that. Just we have to decide the plan. Okay, so in the market there are the job roles, ServiceNow job roles. We have like a ServiceNow administrator, ServiceNow administrator who don't require the coding knowledge, so they can work on the ServiceNow administrator. So they do manage the access related and the service catalogs we can develop, and we can import the users to the ServiceNow. So with the so only ServiceNow administrator will do, and the ServiceNow developer, as we discussed earlier, they can develop the to enhance the existing functionality, and we can create the new custom applications. And the ServiceNow implement specialist. So we can implement the ServiceNow from the scratch level in the client organizations. Okay, and the ServiceNow architect, who is the solution architect, he manages the entire ServiceNow project. Okay, he discuss with the business users, and he propose the new solutions to the in the ServiceNow. And the another profile is ServiceNow QA, quality analysis. So he is the part of the testing. So whatever the developers they develop, so ServiceNow QA will test that, and he provide the sign off for the requirement. Okay. Yeah. Let me go through this. So let me clarify that training plan. Okay. Any questions do you have till now? So our training content is designed for the 60 hours. Okay, it may extend to the next 5 to 6 hours. Okay, so depends upon the then and every day we have the 1 hour maximum minimum 1 hour class we have, and it may extend to the another 1 hour depends upon the topic we discuss. Okay, and weekly 5 days, and sometimes it depends upon the that course content we are if the syllabus is if we have the more syllabus, we can take the classes on the weekly Saturday Sunday also. I will tell you in advance about that. Okay, and so I'm going to cover the admin part and development part and integrations integrations part I'm going to cover. Okay, and just 1 minute. Okay, and I'm going to cover the admin part, development part, and the integration part, and we can have the live recording sessions, and every day we can access the live recording sessions and with real-time scenarios. With real-time scenarios, we can discuss and I'm going to help the certification. I'm going to give the about the questions, and I will explain them. We can take the mock interviews during the in the weekend support. I provide the mock interview support in on the weekends. Okay, and I will help in the certifications we have the certifications like CSA and CAD and CIS, implementation selection. So everyone must have the CSA. So if they put the CSA certification in the resume, so we can it would be added advantages to the resume. So it can easily shortlisted by the recruiter. So after that we have the CAD, application developer. The developer needs to be complete the application developer, but it is not a mandatory. But if you have the CSA certification, it would be added advantage to the your resume. Okay, so any questions as of now? So okay,
Mm,
yeah, do you want to speak something, Naga? Okay, so our main course content will be shared by uh, the from the institute. You can get it from the institute. They will share it to you the course content, and the main topics in the service now we are going to discuss about the ITSM products. So whoever starts the service now from the scratch level, first initially they learn the ITSM only. So if you learn the ITSM other modules, you can easily you can learn by yourself. Okay, ITSM, in ITSM we have the incident module, problem module, change module, and service request module, and the knowledge base applications. So basically, what is incident? I will explain. So if today, if you go today in your laptop, your Outlook is not working. So what you do, you are not getting email. So what you do, so you go and raise a one incident in your ServiceNow applications. My Outlook is not working. So we call it as a incident, and it is an unplanned interruption to your service, like your whatever the service or whatever you call it, like Outlook or Teams. So let's say example, internet in our home, internet is not working. So you go and complain about your issue with the your service provider, like Act or Excel or whatever Geo. So we call it as an incident. It is unplanned interruption to the incident. So next you and they resolve the issue and they closed the incident. So next thing is the problem. So every day you are getting the same issue every 2 days, 3 days, or your neighbors also is getting the same issue that internet is not working. Then they treat it as a problem. S- Okay, so they investigate deeply and they will try to fix the issue with the problem management. They have to identify the root cause of that issue and they will fix the issue. So here we follow the problem management. Okay, and here we can discuss about the change management. So change management is we follow a systematic process to implement the change in the any existing service. So like if internet is not working, your neighbors and your community also. So what they do, they come and they verify their infrastructure devices. If they decided to any replace any existing issue, they do follow some systematic approach. So directly they don't come to the infrastructure changes. They take downtime whenever that user impact is less. Then only they will follow this change management. Okay, they do come and they follow some systematic approach. They take the approvals from you, and when you want to implement the new change, everything they will follow this is change management. And we have the service request. Service bar request is nothing but like it is a like a Amazon portal, we can say simply Amazon portal or Flipkart. So you go and order anything, whatever item you want to order. It is like a service request catalog application is also like that only. So in your organization, so you have if you want to access to the some server room, and if you want to uh, uh, order the if you want to take the laptop or desktop or mouse, and if you want to add any additional device, you just go and ask the service request application. So it takes as per the process, they will provide the services to you. And here we have the knowledge base application. So it is like a documents. So we can prepare the documents, some knowledge articles. So like a policies, we can in our organization they do follow some policies. So we can create some documents and we can publish them in the knowledge base applications. Okay, these all are coming under the ITSM applications. So in addition to that, I am going to explain about the ITOM applications also. In ITOM, I'm going to explain the CMDB and discovery. So these are the some additional topics to our course. And normally we designed our course for only ITSM only, but I'm going in market now. Combination of the ITSM and ITOM profiles will get more opportunities. So that is the reason I'm just adding these two applications to addition to this course content. CMDB is nothing but we are just maintaining all the configuration items. Like we maintain the servers, network devices, and databases, everything we maintain in the CMDB. We maintain the data. And the discovery is it is a tool which we discovers our entire network, and they scan our entire network and they do update the details in the CMDB. So it will go and scan your servers, databases, everything. It will update the live status, whether it is the server is up or down, everything we can see in the CMDB. Okay, I'm going to cover all these applications in our course content. And addition to that, I will explain the integration. So ServiceNow can easily integrate with the other tools, with the third-party tools. So for the data transfer, if you create incident in the service now, it will create automatically in the another system like Jira, and any Microsoft Teams, any Azure Devops. So we can service now can easily integrate with other systems. For the data transfer, we can use the integration. So I will explain one or two integrations with the service now, how we can do with the other systems. Okay. Yeah, so this is basic overview of our course contents. So if you want to add any specific topics, if you want to learn in the specific, so I can clarify your doubts. Okay, please ask if you have any doubts. You can ask me here now. Joseph and Naga, do you have any doubts?
No.
No. Okay. If, okay. Okay, just go through this recording video, and just if you have any doubts or if you want to add something, we can reach out to our receptionist so they can clarify. And we are going to start the classes from the tomorrow onwards at the same time, 9 a.m. Okay, okay, yeah. Thanks for joining today, and we will meet tomorrow again. Thank you.
Thank you.